Hi guys, welcome back. We're going to start our math lesson. Hi guys, welcome back. We're going to start our math lesson right away. I have my Easter bunny ears on because a lot of our questions are going to be about Easter. Okay? Alright, our first question. Let's get started right away. Let's pretend that the Easter bunny is hiding some Easter eggs in your backyard. Okay? He's going to hide 6 Easter eggs in the grass, 4 in the rocks, and 6 more under your picnic table. How many Easter eggs did the Easter bunny hide? Let's try it. So it was 6 Easter eggs. And of course I picked a marker that doesn't work. 6 Easter eggs in the grass, 4 in the rocks, and 6 more under your picnic table. So it's asking 6 plus 4 plus 6. That's your equation. Alright, give it a try. Good. Now there's a couple ways you could have solved this, right? Yeah. Now in my class we always say that you can look for a double or you can look for a way to make 10 when you're adding 3 numbers. But either way you have to pick 2 and start with the 2 that you're going to add together. Now me personally, I always like to look for 10s. But you have to know your 10s really quickly, ways to make 10s. So I recognize 4 and 6 as a 10 right away. A lot of kids in my class did too. So 6 and 4 is 10, but you can't forget about that other 6. Plus 6 more equals 16 altogether. That's one way to solve it. What's the other way that you could solve it? Yeah, you could use those doubles that you know, but you have to know your doubles really fast. Alright, so you know 6 plus 6 is 12. Don't forget that 4 plus 4 more is 16. Good job. The Easter bunny hid 16 eggs in your house. Hey, good job. Erase it speedy quick if you're following along. Let's try the same question, but this time with double-digit numbers, big numbers. Okay? So let's pretend the Easter bunny hid 21 Easter eggs in the grass, plus 10 more in the rocks, and then lastly 15 under your picnic table. Say, oh no, that's a lot of Easter eggs. So you have 21 plus 10 plus 15. Give it a try. Alright, so if you were drawing a picture, this is kind of what it would look like. You have your 21, your 10, and your 15. Alright, so first you count the numbers 10, then the little ones to the end, then the little ones to the end. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. Did you get 46? Good job. Alright, now if you're setting it up and down, you want to keep your 10s and 1s together. Don't forget. You can use your loose leaf paper. You can turn it sideways. You can keep your 1s with your 1s and your 10s with your 10s on the row. That's a great teacher hack. Alright, so let's see. We had 21 plus 10 plus 15. Keeping your 1s with your 1s and your 10s with your 10s. Alright, 5 plus 1 is 6. 2 10s plus 1 10 plus 1 10. 2 plus 1 plus 1 is 4 10s, and you still get 46. Now the other option is, some of you just like to go sideways like this. You know that 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 1 more is 4, that's 4 10s, and then 1 plus 0 plus 5 is still 5, is 1 plus 0 plus 5 is 6. So you can do 46 that way too. Okay, so lots of different ways to solve this problem, but you should have still gotten 46 as your answer. The Easter bunny hid 46 eggs. Lucky ducks. Alright, erase the speed quick. Alright, let's move on. This one is going to be about my friend Matthew. Okay? Matthew, it says, Matthew found 65 Easter eggs. Wow, that's a lot of Easter eggs. He must have been super fast. But guess what? When he was running around with his Easter basket, he lost 32 of those eggs. He needs to slow down, I guess. How many Easter eggs does he have left? 65 minus 32. Give it a try. All right, good. Since I brought my makeshift tens and ones, I'm going to use them for you guys today. All right, how many did you start with? Yeah, he had 65. So let's do it this way, actually. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You had 65. Now, if you don't have your tens and ones, that's fine. You just draw them. 65. And then he lost 32. So 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. You can just cross them out, remember? And how many does he have left? 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33. 33 is what he would have left. All right? I'm going to try it on the paper also. You ready? If you did it up and down, remember, keep your ones together. 5 ones, take away 2 ones is 3 ones. 6 tens, take away 3 tens is 3 tens. 33. Good job. All right, and I'm going to draw them just in case you want to see it with a drawing. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, they're not very cute tens, are they? They look like fat French fries. Yeah, so 65, and then I crossed out 32. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. So you have 30, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33 left. Good job. All right, erase it speedy quick. And we have our last lesson today, our last question. Now, this is an introduction to multiplication. So for parents, you're going to hear some language of groups of, or in each group. When you hear that, that's usually a sign that it's going to be some multiplication. And yeah, we're getting ready for second grade, so we're getting ready for multiplication thoughts, and we're going to try it. Mrs. Herbal made an Easter basket for 6 students. How many students? 6 students. Now, in those Easter baskets, I put 5 Easter eggs in each basket. In each basket. So that means every single one. So that's a group of. So, how many eggs did I use? So we're going to walk through this because it's a new concept. So let's try it. Ms. Herbal made Easter baskets for 6 students. So let's make our 6 students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 students. There's my students. All right. And how many Easter eggs did I say I put in each one? Yeah, 5. So this student gets 5. This student's going to get 5. Every single student's going to get 5. Oh, so that's going to be super easy. Because you know how to count by 5s, right? Yeah. So all you have to do is count by 5s. Let's try it. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So Miss Herbal's going to use 30 eggs to fill those Easter baskets. 6 students, 5 eggs in each is 30. And the way we would write the equation, if we were going to try to write the equation, would be 6 kids, 6 students with 5 eggs in each. That would be 6 groups of, or 6 times 5. Now the other way to think about it is like this. It's like adding 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. It's 30. Because multiplication is really just repeated addition, right? Yeah, so you could do it this way. That would be perfectly fine. Or you could do it this way. 6 groups of 5. Or 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 6 times. You're still going to get 30 Easter eggs. Good job. All right, erase it speedy quick. And I hope you enjoyed our lesson for today. Now, in your homework packet, there are some review pages that you could use. just like we did that first question about the Easter Bunny that asked about 3 add-ins, adding 3 numbers. This page is all about rolling the dice 3 times. And Miss Herbal in your packet, if you picked it up, had a dice that you could roll 3 times and add those numbers together. We also have some adding, and I think, yeah, it's just all adding on this page in your packet. And then you have some subtraction, ice cream cone matching in your packet as well. Now, if you didn't print this out, it is online on the AMI webpage on the first grade page. But it's in that packet that I gave you if you came to pick it up at school. Okay? So keep practicing.